It's simple. We all want to stunt with flyers, but we have to make sure that they want to stunt with us. Otherwise, we're not going to stunt with many flyers. Here's a quick tip to make a flyer want to stunt with you more, at least. It makes her feel more safe. It makes her feel more comfortable with you, and thinking about stunting with you is more happy thoughts in her mind, which makes her want to stunt with you more. Okay, so this is it. You ready? Catcher. You guys might get sick of it. Might get sick of me saying to catch your flyer, but flyers, they don't get sick of it. No, they do not. They don't get sick of it at all. They want me to say it more, actually. I'm not just talking about catching your flyer when the stunt falls. That's a given. That should always happen. You should always do your absolute best. Put yourself before the flyer to catch them if the stunt comes down. But what I'm saying is catch them in the pop off. When you hit a stunt and you pop it off, catch them on the way down. Okay? That is what I'm saying, because if a flyer lands on her feet and her knees hurt after the pop off, she is not at all gonna want to stunt with you anymore. She might do it a couple more times, but it's a grind. She is not gonna want to. If you wanna make it fun for the flyer, which in the end is gonna get you to have more flyers to stunt with, you actually have to catch her and absorb her down and make her land light and soft. And plus, it's gonna make her feel great. So you have to do that and make her touch the ground as little as you possibly can. She's not even gonna think twice, because she's just gonna keep wanting to stunt with you because she's not getting hurt. It's literally not that hard. You just have to do it. It's so rewarding because the flyer will actually want to stunt with you. Literally everyone notices if you don't catch your flyer. At least all the other flyers will notice, and guys that are more experienced at stunting will definitely notice. They all want you to catch. Like, you have to jump off the ground to catch your flyer and then come back down to the ground, and then do not let your arms flop down here. Don't let them go past your chest. Keep your arms as you're catching, you jump, and then as you catch, you bring it down to here, you bring it down to your chest, and then you squat down with your legs. Keep it at your chest, and it allows for so much more support for your body to help her down. And every single flyer will notice. You're gonna get so much of a better reaction when you ask another flyer to stunt with you. It's such a warming thought for the flyer to know that she's gonna feel safe and that she's gonna come down without hurting herself. And in turn, you're gonna get some with a lot more flyers that way. It's a really quick thing. It's a really simple thing. Jump off the ground, catch her high, absorb her down very controlled and smoothly, set her down on the ground as nicely as you possibly can, squat with your legs, give her that time to actually come down to the ground without her just slamming on the ground, and save her knees, save her ankles, and make her want to stunt with you the next time. It's really important in the flyer's eyes. Do yourself a favor and please catch your flyers as much as you humanly can. There were countless times where I was yelled at for not catching my flyer, and I was like, oh, I don't catch my flyer? Pfft, what? It was almost like I wasn't blaming myself because, like, she's strong enough to land by herself. Who the fuck do you think you are? You have to catch your flyer. It doesn't matter who you are. She doesn't have to land by herself. That's just not how it works. It's a partnership. You both put in the same amount of effort. And the flyers, you always should push against the base's wrist so you help him. I know it was really quick. I really hope it helped, but that's all I got. See you later.